on 4-hour time frame of silver or XAGUSD, we have this level of support for the price and also this level of resistance, which you can see the price was going up and touches a level and it starts falling, okay, an invisible level. So this can be a nice level of resistance. In the future the price reacts to that resistance and gives us a pin bar like this. In the lower time frames, like 1-hour time frame, we could also enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle and get our reward. And also we have this trend line for the price with 2 touches on that. If the price can break it to the downside and close a candle below this on 4-hour time frame, not any other time frames, just 4-hour time frame, then we can actually risk on that and enter a sell position, set our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward. And our reward can be this level of support, and if we see a nice candle on that, which we can actually close our position. And if that candle is a nice candle like this one, this pin bar here, or this one here, we can also enter another buy position, set our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. But if the price can start going up from here and touches this level of resistance and gives us a nice candle on that too, we can also risk on that and enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward. Let's check daily time frame to see what we have. On daily time frame we don't have anything special. The price broke this level of resistance here and it started going up and it made its pullback, but right now it is range in the 4-hour time frame. It is going up and down, okay, until we see a break out of this range to the upside or to the downside, then we can actually enter that direction with the market too. We also have this level of resistances on the weekly time frame, which you can see levels here too. If the price can start going up and touch these levels and gives us a nice candle, it is not important which time frame it is. It can be 15-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame, whatever it is not breakout that we can actually that we should say that this trend line must be broken in its time frame, okay? Support and resistances are different. You can actually draw the levels on bigger time frame and trade them in the lower time frame. We have this level of resistances. If we see some nice candles on them on the lower time frames, we can enter sell positions too. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of silver or XAGUSD in the upcoming days by technical side, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.